Jade working hard. Oh, we've made it in. Now we're just going to do the hard work and shift all these rocks. Some nice big suckers in here. So I think somewhere in here it's going to be where the magic spot is. And probably maybe somewhere in here. There's a big rock just there. It's bedrock. And then comes down into here. So yeah, we'll just have a play around and do a few test pans and see what we come up with. Actually, a cracker day. It's going to be very hot. Anyway, we'll do some hard work and come back. Right, we've just done a couple of pans and that hole, it doesn't see, I don't know if we're right down in the bottom because any gold that's in here is going to be on the bottom. So I've just taken Jade's just been in there and found some colour right against the side, and I'm just up in here digging down in the wee hole here, which this is all bedrock. So we'll just, but this goes down quite a wee way, so I'm just going to dig out through there, and I just got this. There we go, over there. So that just turned up. So that's a nice wee bit. And then there's another bit just in there. Let's see if I can get them together. Oh, there's 4 bits there. Oops. Five bits. And one just in the middle of the screen, a bigger bit. And there's a heap of little fines, I don't know if you can see them, just up in there.
That's my lunchbox.
Huh?
That's my lunchbox.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Right, so I'll go do another pan, I'll come back and see how we go. Thought I'd give you an update. So I'm just digging, putting the sluice set up and a few buckets through. It's not the ideal place to have it, but it's sort of the flows out here a wee bit further, so I'm just sort of picking the edge of it. But it seems to be, as you can see, we're in a different place. That is all iron sand right across there. There's the gold. Just there in the middle of the screen, you just see it glinting. Nice bit there. Nice bit in the middle there. Quite a few fines just up there. Oh, there's heaps up there. Here's, I don't know if you can see that, but there's a heap of gold just there. Big concentration points in there, and then all iron sand. Might be hard to see, but that's all iron sand through there. Now it seems to be working. It's iron sand through there. This seems to be going okay through the holes. Like I say, the concentration line seems to be coming this way. And there's another bit of gold there. It seems to be all coming sort of this way at the moment, mainly because of the way the flow is. The flow is going out that way. So I'm only sort of halfway getting it in here, but it's just the way the river is. This is sitting on a big rock that just goes straight down and into the river and then drops off. As you can see down there, it's really deep. It just goes so off away, so we've got this popped in there, but seems to be working. Better than panning. Hey Jade.
Yeah, it's a lot faster than panning, that's for sure.
Right, we'll come back shortly. Just finishing up for the day, so I've dug sort of along there under that boulder. and sort of up and into there. And I'll show you this loose. Sand down there, I've got a gold down there too. So that's working pretty good, I think, across there. Catching all the heavies. So that's good. Yeah, so the ideal test, the way it's set up there, but for where we are, and there's like really nothing, there's nothing you can put it in. There's nowhere you can actually make it go, because it's all just rocks and not actually in the actual river flow. And you can get out there, deep. So anyway, so I have a clean out. Swishing the sprinkles. Lots of iron sand. Right, come back when he's finished. What's in there?
There's one big bit that's heavy, it just wants to keep falling out of the pan.
Ah, yeah. Looking too bad. That's what we ended up with for the day. Nice chunky bits. And that was probably, we were just talking about it, I think that's about 5 buckets, 5 20-litre buckets. So not too bad really. But, yeah. So we'll see how we go. Might have to investigate next time a bit more, but we'll see what happens. Alrighty, we'll see you at home. I'm just heading back to the vehicle, and here's the actual Salisbury Falls. Pretty low, there isn't much water in there. Goes down to a big pool. Just going to go down and have a little bit of a detect around and see what it looks like. Yeah, so it just meanders down there and around the corner and out into the main river. Alright, I'll see you at home. As you can see, I'm back home now, so yeah, it's sort of 8 o'clock, or 8:30 now at night. So yeah, we were sort of, that was what, 12-hour day, 5 of that was driving, but yeah, so but we're very happy with what we got. Bit bigger gold, so yeah, I'll show you what we got. There's some nice little pickers there. That one's a picker. Yeah, that. Clink clink. So yeah, so no, we're very happy with the way that went, and the new sluice design went very well. Worked pretty much how I thought it was going to do. So yeah, no, very happy with it. This worked pretty good. The only thing was we didn't have enough flow in the river, just because of the way the river was, and how we end up having to set it up in the river. But other than that, it went very well. So yeah, I'm just gonna my next change, if I can get this undone, is down on the bottom of this. What I'm going to do is where this piece here is. So I've got this gap here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop this down further. I'm going to go down about 20 mils, I suppose, and then make the back of it higher so it clips back up underneath. So it's got that wee lip there. If you can see that, there's a wee lip just there. I'm going to make this, extend this up higher than 20 mils, so I'll put another backing in there, and then it'll sit lower, so there'll be like a waterfall. Basically it'll fall off and into here, and what I'm going to do is make this a boil box in here. And what I'm going to do is put a riffle will go here, up through here, at the 20 mils. So everything will pour off here, then it's got to get up over the riffles, and then I'll have a riffle set in this end as well. So it'll just be light ones through here. So if anything makes it down to here, it won't pass this, because this will be a boil box, and then once it starts going through these riffles, it should be basically, shouldn't lose anything, hopefully. But as far as the rest of it in here goes, it went very well. So yeah, I can't see me altering any of that for now, but definitely doing this piece will make it a lot better. But other than that, yeah, I'll come back in a minute after I've dried all that, get that all sorted, and yeah, I'll show you shortly. Right, got a new wee fry pan for sizzling the gold. Yeah, seems to go, looks like it's pretty good. Doesn't make it look as much now. Anyway, seems to be working pretty well. Done. Right, so I'll come back in a sec with the weigh-in. Weight. Close. So 0.24. 25. Cool. Alrighty. I hope you enjoyed that, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next trip. Alrighty. See you later.